Hello friends, how are you doing? My name is Atanude. A warm welcome to my YouTube channel B2M, Beginner to Maestro. According to the Harvard Business Research, data scientist is the sexiest job of 21st century. This particular video is related to data science and data scientist. If you want to become a data scientist, then you should know about what is actually data science, what are the different application area of data science in industries, what are the different research scope of data science in academia, which course or degree you should pursue to become a data scientist, and finally, how much salary you can get after becoming a data scientist. So, if you want to become a data scientist, then watch the video till the end. Before that, if you are visiting first time in the channel, then please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get all the related videos of this series. Now, we will talk about data science. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific method, processes, and algorithms to extract meaningful information from the structural and unstructured data. Now, what is data? Everyday basis, whatever information we are searching, receiving, or processing through the social media or Google search, this is all about data. Whatever information you are searching in Google, that is also a data, and information you are sharing through social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, this is also a data. Now, coming to the point of application of data science in industries. When you are searching something in e-commerce platform, then you can get so many other related items as a recommendation. Apart from this, personalized suggestion, supply chain prediction, many other application areas of data science in e-commerce industries. In manufacturing industries, demand forecasting, failure rate prediction are the application area of data science. Similarly, in the finance industries, risk analytics, fraud detection, so on and so forth. Now, coming to the point of research of data science in academia. Data science research mainly happen in computer science, mathematics, statistics, industrial and business related department. In machine learning domain, there are several scope to develop new machine learning algorithm and new feature development methodology. There are high scope to explore neural network to contribute something in the deep learning community. Nowadays, most of the latest applications are using deep learning concepts. Natural language processing or NLP is now trending area of research for several hot topics such as sentiment analysis, text entanglement, machine translation, and information retrieval. Every day, we are experiencing many applications of face recognition and voice recognition. There are also scope to contribute something outstanding in that community. Now, we will see what is the suitable course or degree we should pursue for the data science. Two types of courses are available in front of you. Number 1, online courses. Number 2, regular courses. For online courses, many options are available. Out of all these, I will highlight a couple of more popular options. Number 1, postgraduate diploma in data science from IIIT Bangalore through Upgrad. Number 2, postgraduate diploma in data science from Simplilearn in collaboration with Purdue Universities. Many other options are there. For your kind information, all these courses charges more than a lakh for getting a certificate. For regular study, mainly PG courses for data science are available in good universities. Recently, few institutes started a new course of data science for undergraduate students. Now, I will mainly highlight different types of PG courses on data science. Number 1, MS by Research or MTech by Research in the domain of data science from IITs or NITs. Number 2, MTech from Computer Science or Industrial Department, specialization with natural language processing, machine learning, deep learning and statistics. Number 3, PhD from any recognized universities in the domain of data science. Apart from all this, if you feel like you don't have money to spend in online studies and you don't want to pursue in regular studies, then you can learn the same thing from the several free online sources like YouTube tutorial. If you are a freshers from non-NIT, non-IIT institute and you learn data science from free online resources instead of online certification and regular courses and you are selected by a company, then your starting salary might be 5 to 6 lakhs per annum. Online certification courses help the experienced candidate to get the promotion within the industry. If they want to change the industry, then also that will help and their salary will be hiked based on their current package. After doing online certification courses, a freshers can get 5 to 8 lakh package in a new job. For regular courses, if you have done masters or PhD from any non-NIT, non-IIT institute, then your package might be on an average 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. If you have done MS or MTech from IIT or NIT on the domain of data science, then your package might be on an average package might be 15 to 20 lakhs per annum. And if you have done PhD, then your package might be 25 to 30 lakhs on an average per annum. In the next video, I'll come up with course structure of this tutorial series.